Good morning, grade 1. This is EVS chapter number 14, Plants Around Us. Already we discussed with the PDF, or you can say PPT presentation, about types of plants. But quickly we review one more time about types of plants. So there are total 5 type of plants we are talking about. In which first of all we talk about trees. Trees in which we can give the examples of mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree. Trees are very big in size and they have strong woody stems. Next we talk about herbs. The examples of herbs are mint, coriander and spinach. Now herbs are very soft and thin. Their stems are very soft and very thin. We can easily pluck it out. Next we talk about shrubs. They are not bigger than trees, but they also have strong woody stems. But the size of shrubs are smaller than trees. Examples are rose, tulsi and cotton. Next we talk about climbers. Their stems is very delicate, or you can say very soft. They cannot stand straight by themselves. So they need a support of some, you can say, stick or a wall. So the examples are money plant, grapevine and bean. Last we talk about creepers. So the creepers are those plants, their stems are also very soft. But they also grow upside. But we can't keep it on straightwards, because their fruits are very big in size. If we keep it on upside, so their fruit becomes very heavy and they just fall from the tree, and or you can say from the plant, and they burst out. वो फूट जाएंगे और वो खराब हो जाएंगे. So these kind of plants will grow along the ground. So creepers examples are pumpkin, watermelon and muskmelon. As you all know that all the three fruits are very big in size. Watermelon and muskmelon we are using in summer season, and pumpkin we make vegetable using pumpkins. So their fruits are very big. So the creepers grow along the ground. Now, next topic we are talking about parts of plants. As I draw one plant here, you can see so beautifully it looks. Without filling any color on this plant, it's look very beautiful. Can you tell me the name of the plants? So we'll start from the lower part. So under the ground, below the ground, you can see, or under the ground, there are the roots by which whole plant is standing. So roots hold the plant on the ground. So roots are very important. They give nutrients from the soil to the plant to make food, and by this it helps the plant to stand straight and give the nutrients to the plants. The roots are very important. If the roots are weaker, or you can say not having much power, so we can't say the plant is grow very well. So roots are very important. Next, you can see a hard, bigger and a straight, you can say a line. This is called stem. We call it stems. Now, stem is the single line which grow higher and higher and very straight towards. Now, you can see some more small lines going here and there. These lines are called, these sticks are called branches. We call them branches. Now, on the branch, we can see small and green leaves. These are called leaf. These are the leaves which we are seeing on the plant. Now, you can see a small and a very juicy fruits on it. So, these are the fruits on the plant. Now you see some small flowers blooming all over the plant. So these are the flowers. Now students, I am going to take you little bit, more interesting and give you more knowledge. Do you know where the leaves are? If somewhere you can see the very thin stick, and on that so many leaves are growing up like this. Let me draw first and then we'll talk about it. You can see these kind of sticks on the branches, and the couple of leaves are there on single line. So these lines are called twigs. We call them twigs. As you can see here, I am just draw single leaves on the plant, but on the very big plants, or you can say trees, you can see a single line, and on that single line there are lots of leaves growing higher. So that, first of all, we'll talk about stem. On stem there are branches, on branches there are twigs, and on twigs there are leaves. So these are the parts which we are seeing on the trees, or you can say on a plant. So these are the parts of plants which we are talking about. We'll just remind all the names: leaf, fruit, branches, stem, roots, flower. Again, leaf, fruit, branches, stem, roots and flower. These are the parts of plants. I hope you all understand this. Thank you so much, student. I hope you all liked the video, and please saw the lecture.